Hey, this is episode 5, Ratchet and Clank. I'm Regretting.
I am Rascal
And we're out here making videos for the internet.
for our little
For little stool. I don't. Stool kids we can work with. Little stool kids I don't like. Neither of us are small. Not little. Oh, this is Captain Quark's planet. It's like a gauntlet.
Ooh.
Yeah. I'm
Is it Captain Quark?
Captain Quark.
Quark.
The guy, the superhero dude that we've been trying to
my
court.
challenge course.
That
Now
guy.
is your chance to
With
prove
the
yourself
ball thing,
strong
yeah.
and brave.
Reminds me of Johnny Bravo.
Conquer
He's a
it,
bit of a
and
Johnny
you'll
Bravo guy.
join in my fight against
He's got a
evil.
crimson chin to him.
Haven't we done enough
It's a fairly
already?
obvious actually.
What? I
Who
can't
called
hear
us
you.
that? Quentin freaked out when he saw me and Wilfred next to each other because he was
Sorry,
really
still
obvious.
having trouble.
Oh, you were
Tell
angry
me
and
later.
Wilfred's angry.
Later? We might be
No,
dead
because I
by
have
then.
bright big
What?
hair, and
Oh,
Wilfred has
green
twin
hair.
hair.
Let's
I
keep
don't know.
Okay, no, it's a fair statement from Quentin.
He like freaked out though. He like made Wilfred come into the lab and
Aw,
it was kind of
that
cute.
is a cute.
Quentin, you're cute.
Quentin.
Don't take that to heart. I won't suck your dick.
Okay.
Quentin. It's
Yeah,
fine.
yeah, no, I know, it's fine. I know Quentin.
Okay. You're walking and you're rolling and you're
Yeah,
rumbling.
we're gonna do some swinging. Some swing shot. The swing shot? Pretty,
Oh, I love it!
it's pretty fun to use.
It's like a fucking like, it's not even like rope or anything. It's
Yeah.
like,
This area is still me. Why?
it's industrial as
Yeah, it's it's a dangerous place. And also, no, just hot. But that incapacitates me anyway. So I'm gonna use this one. I don't know if you know that. Really? You
That's
jealous?
why I don't know around people because
Yeah. Yeah, I just get used to it.
so I can
You could record. Well, it is right now. I'm not doing it.
Fast.
I'm not doing it for anybody but me.
I did it for me, but also you want
Do it? Hey, if you're my fan, and I know you personally, thanks. But if I don't know you personally, I've just met a lot of people who are fans of things and you're total assholes.
You know what? Yeah, fuck you, fans.
I
I'm not
mean,
here for you.
Fuck you if you're an asshole. Not all fans are assholes. But also not all fans are very close. I feel like he would attract a pretty reasonable crowd.
So we wouldn't.
So,
push
yeah.
in your place.
I mean, if we got too big, it would be like, oh,
That's a pipe dream.
yeah, it is a pipe dream. I'm just saying,
Ooh, you have to step on this.
that's what that area was for. No, sir. You have to step on all three of them. Support the beat. Oh, and now he died instead of it. Oops.
Oh no.
Oh, no.
He died with his eyes open? How realistic.
This single planet
Hi there,
is gonna
Fuzzball.
take 30 minutes because I keep fucking dying. But it's cool because I make money out of it, and you need the money in this game. So it's not gonna be. Yes, there's a lot of repetition.
It's okay, you're not a hero, you're human.
I'm not a hero, I'm human. Ratchet.
With Ratchet, either.
He's not a hero yet.
I don't know if he's a hero.
Give it time.
He's trying too hard to be.
This game has an arc for his character in a way that none of the other games do.
That thing that's coming after you is not dangerous.
This turret, and then it does damage. Really? Those are bullets showing. I got Sadie again. I'm like your dog. I'm like your dog. And you tell him that, oops, I died again.
Jerome!
I really should have spent some time. So like the reason I didn't edit this shit
Hi there,
is
Fuzzball.
A, because I forgot, and B, because my editing software, when you go in there and you make a video project and you save it, it's like 300 fucking gigabytes. It's enormous every time. I don't have time for that. I don't have space for that. It's for a video. I'm gonna say no texting and video.
I know. I'm sorry. Losing. That's what I'm gonna call her.
She is less important than Ratchet and Clank to me.
Okay, I'm sorry. That's what I'm gonna call her. I'm just going to
Say, hey, I can't chat right now. I'm busy making videos.
I haven't like looked at my phone.
Okay, you have done very well.
I've been trying to not do that.
We've been recording for like an hour. It feels like 10 minutes to me. But it's been an hour.
Yeah, every single time this episode out, every single time it ends, it's like, what?
Yeah,
I
already.
wasn't done talking.
I'm sure it's not the wine.
We should probably, probably not the wine. Are you serious?
I think for me, wine dilates time. I think that's why it's not bad. I think part of it.
I was talking about what else is
Okay, but this is fresh content coming
Is
up.
this first one?
So like this is the furthest I've made it. And I'm beeping. And I'm beeping. And I did it. Yes.
Fucking dare.
No bolt left behind. That's my George W. Bush inspired.
You know what the most annoying thing was? Is that like Ellen DeGeneres' like armpit or something. They like touched armpit or something like that, and everyone was like, he's a nice boy! I'm like, oh,
Yeah.
can we not forget about his war crimes?
Right. Well,
Like,
you know, his war crimes or Cheney's war crimes, it's the same damn thing. Oh, I'm about to cheat. Fuck. Check it out. I don't remember how to get through this part. Then I figured it out. Look at that. I just went around the level instead of doing the level. Being cheating is clever. Being clever is cheating.
that's true. I think cheating is this is philosophical. I think cheating is when you are actively like trying to be deceitful about something, right? In order to get your way, you're just like coming up with new ways to make shit easier.
I think that cheating is breaking the rules.
You didn't break the rules there.
Yes, I did.
How did you break the rules?
The intended design of that area is to go through
If the
fences.
intended design of that area was to go through those places, they wouldn't have made it that way.
People fuck up and leave gaps. And if you sneak through those gaps, it's still cheating. It's not a problem. I don't feel shame.
Alright, there's a vote going out when this video comes out. Like, what is cheating to you?
I have to make
Drop your
have to make it-
opinions in the comments.
I have to make a Twitter for this. Just for this.
Oh my god, you guys follow me on Twitter. I don't even make one on this. Just follow me on it.
Oh, follow me at Cat Valium. I posted maybe 8 times. Yeah.
Follow me at Shelfio, SHELBSYO. Or you can look up Jader Gay Side God.
We should save ourselves from this. It's okay. So this area fucked me up a lot. Because there's like three you gotta press. They're like kind of hidden, and then I die. And then I die again. And then I get it.
You see, I don't really feel like those things are so like translucent. You know what I mean? So I just have a hard time believing they can kill you.
The bullets?
Yeah.
You don't
Do you
think
not
the
see
bullets?
that?
You don't see them as like bullets? What do you see them as?
Like
Garden hoses?
orange juice.
Like OJ? That ain't how it is. So I see myself dying over and over again.
Like coffee.
Like coffee. Much like coffee. Oh, I figured it out. That's the part where I'm like, oh, there's the 3 dots. I gotta step on them. Let's do it. And then I believe I died. Ooh, God. No, I guess I just figured it out. Good for me.
So many shooting noises in this level.
It's a little distracting.
I know, I understand why it's a hard level.
There's a lot going on. Have you ever played Psychonauts? Ooh, that's a cool game. You should play that game. So Psychonauts is, I got a little bit of help, thank God.
And also, it's on like Warzone.
Yes, fewer bullets. Listen to the sound. The music is very good. Psychonauts is an action platformer by Psychonauts. It's a game we should play. I genuinely want to put that game on next because it's excellent. But it's a game by Double Fine Studios, and it's a game where you play as a kid who runs away from the circus to join a psychic training camp.
What?
Yeah.
Yes, let's do it. That sounds great.
It's cool, and like the levels, you go inside of people's minds, and the levels are like built out of their psychosis. There's some really cool stuff in there. There's some stuff that's like, oh, this like has a 2006 understanding of mental health and doesn't do a great job of handling it.
Yeah.
But there's also parts that are like, oh, whoa, this is wild. This is like a really smart take on handling like, you know, anger disorders or whatever. There's cool shit in there. Just absolutely play it. So in Wilgar City, if you go out into the ocean, you can swim for a little bit, and then those things will pop out of the water and eat you.
Oh, okay. They literally just look like the frogs with the fins.
Yeah. I'm deliberately not getting killed by any of them because I've already died a bunch of times. So I just went to the level.
Oh.
If I got into the water, they would just kill me right away.
Okay, so it just makes it easier. Okay.
Well, like, no, like, you can't kill them if the water thing is full.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, because the hydrant displaces the hydrant.
I understand.
Yeah.
Now, it also doesn't seem.
So
I feel like
putting
you
a
have
lot
to, like,
of water in a small
pale,
space.
Yeah, pale some of the water.
Yeah, well, you can think about how heavy that thing would be. Ratchet's a strong guy. Ratchet? Kinda fucking.
Ratchet's fuckable, but I can't talk about working robots.
What? No, because they were children.
You made them children.
Yes.
In your world.
That's why they made me uncomfortable. That's the way that made me uncomfortable.
I don't think Ratchet's fuckable because you're
Okay, fair enough. Yeah, I mean, it's not a third. It's not fun. And I wouldn't fuck Ratchet because I'm not gay and Ratchet's a dude. I'm just saying. It's true, but Ratchet not my type.
Yeah, okay, thanks. I'm glad.
I'm just saying, compared to Clank, or like Captain Quark, or what the other guy's name is, Chairman Drek. Ratchet's the most fuckable guy in this
Chairman
game.
Drag?
Chairman Drek.
Drag.
Drek. D-R-E-K. Drek. Yeah, like Dylan. Like
You right.
Like a lot like Dylan. Like, I think about that a lot, actually. Ooh.
I might actually like it.
Yeah, I think he would like it.
I think he would think we were stupid as shit.
Yeah. But that's fun for me anyway. It's smaller than that. I mean, that's the ring light.
Oh, where's the can? Oh, yeah.
It's a little dot right in the middle.
For context, I got the webcam.
Thank you, Shelby. I touched my heart and
Excellent.
my head for that.
And it has a built-in ring light. What's the brand?
Razer. It's Razer gaming gear, which therefore matches my keyboard and mouse because I'm a true real gamer with LED lights everywhere. Shout out to Mangia.
Yeah, Mandy G, dude. She's a fucking homie.
He's honestly one of the best people. easily my favorite person. Yeah. Yeah.
I knew Jerome when he was just a whippersnapper. He was a player hater.
I was kind of a player.
He
It
was
was
kind
bad.
of a bad baddie, you know?
I was a bad boy.
He was a baddie.
But not in a lovable
And
way.
now he's in love with a very sweet lady.
I'm a homebody. Technically still a bachelor, but kind of not. You're a bachelor till you're married, right?
That is true, but you're not single, that's true. So ladies,
Hands
don't
off.
even think about it.
Dylan, stay away.
Dylan. Okay, now I got it.
He'll appreciate it. He said that thinking that he would just never watch it.
Well, Jerome wanted to shut, or not Jerome,
You
fuck.
two continue
Wilfred,
to surprise
sorry.
me.
No worries.
Step into the ring of heroes,
Oh.
and I will finally give you what you deserve.
Ratchet, this is no time for you to become cautious. We have reached our goal.
I don't know. There's something fishy going on here.
Fishy.
Listen to your little metal friend, Ratchet. Your destiny is mere steps away.
That's not a
It's
threat.
just something doesn't seem right.
This is it. Quark is going to help us stop Chairman Drek.
Why, thank you, Clank. You've been most helpful.
What's happening?
That's right. Quark is a bad guy.
Okay, and then what if Clank? What
off of me,
Clank?
you
What the fuck's wrong with Clank?
Clank is just.
I
he's
love it
fool.
when a
He's
plan comes
useful
together.
What do you mean?
What do you think he means, genius? He's not gonna help us. He's gonna kill us.
You
Honestly, I called that. This guy
Although there
looks
is
like a-
one
like
problem
Yeah,
with
he's
your
a total
hypothesis,
asshole.
He looks like
I'm not going to kill you.
You're not?
he has balls on his face, of course.
He is.
What is that?
It's a Blargian Snagglebeast.
Why?
But why? It's really not that difficult to decipher. I'm the official
Why is
spokesman
everyone
for
a
Drek's
douche
new
with
planet.
Clank?
I don't
can't
know.
have
It's
you
good.
two getting
like
in the
I
way
call
of
it
my
all the
comeback.
Game.
This isn't over, Quark.
I know.
No. But it will be soon.
I feel like I'm watching a show.
Anyway, boss fight time.
All right.
I'm gonna throw these mines, and they are gonna explode right away. Just immediately, as soon as he gets over here.
This looks kind of
Just blow up. It's not super hard. You just gotta be able to jump over the ship. Oops. 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 This is classic PlayStation 2 boss fight. Jump over rings coming out from the walls.
What should I play on PS2 that's scary?
Eternal Darkness. Mercenaries. Fear 1? I think that was a PC.
There was like rounds in it, and it was like an event.
Twisted Metal.
Yes. Yeah,
okay.
Twisted Metal Black. Yeah,
The vehicle
okay.
game. Yeah, I played some of that as a kid. We didn't have it, but we had friends that did.
Okay, but it seemed it was scary to play because part of it was racing.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's a clown, alright.
I feel like it's more than a racing game.
It's a
was-
vehicle combat game.
Well,
Yeah.
it's also because you have to watch introductions to the characters. And I remember just being so
I did not have that. Also, did you watch him just walk away from me for a little while?
yeah.
Don't know why that happened, but I appreciate it. He's like, uh-oh, I gotta go. And then he does this whole lava shield thing, or whatever.
I like how you still have bubbles.
Yes.
Like, you're going to like go
At
swimming
any
anytime
moment.
soon.
Any moment I could. Oops.
You're an idiot.
I know.
Every
Real
single
dumb.
time, but also kind of remind me of Mario. Anytime I've ever thrown
I
Bowser
wonder what
off the
that
ledge
info
or
bot
into
is
lava,
for.
they're like,
Maybe
"You're
it
not
can
allowed to do
replace
that."
you.
Oh,
Rude.
in
And
Mario
I'm like,
64.
why would I not be able to do that?
The
Like,
ships
I
are never in
make
a
this
position
bitch.
from the
I am
air.
trying to kill you,
That was a
Bowser.
little
Yeah,
too
but,
close.
like-
Yeah, I get what
We
you're saying.
need support now.
That made me stop
Actually,
playing Mario
I need
64
support.
last time I tried
My
playing because
entire
I got to
battalion
the
went
Bowser
AWOL
fight
and left me to
and I
fight the
couldn't hit
swarm
him with the
on my own.
bombs because I'm dumb or
If the enemy
something.
doesn't kill those
And
guys,
so I just kept throwing him
I
off the edge
will.
and he would jump back.
I'm not
Gun
gonna
hurt.
last much longer.
It wasn't even
Requesting
that,
immediate
it was,
assistance.
Like, I think
Over
it's
and
in
out.
Odyssey.
Those are direct
Maybe?
ships
It might
destroying
be a
that planet.
reference to
We must
And
help that
they're
commando.
Like,
Are
you
you
can't throw
serious?
Bowser,
That's
you
it.
can't throw this
I am
person
out
off
of
the
here.
edge.
Captain
You have
Quark
to,
is
like,
gonna be sorry
fight
you messed
them.
with
And I'm
me.
like, fuck you.
This
I
is
am
not
fighting
about Captain
them.
Quark anymore. There
Not
are
my
innocent
fault,
lives
bitch
being
ass
lost.
bitch.
Yeah?
You know what I mean?
Well, I'm done with this
Yeah,
stupid
I know what you're
hero
saying.
stuff. I got my
This
own
is-
agenda now.
Ratchet being a real
this is
asshole,
not
I
like
appreciate
you.
it.
What do you know about me?
I
You
like
spent
that
this
he's
whole time
mad.
looking
Dude, he
for
got
Quark.
double
You
crossed
don't know
and he's
anything
angry about
me.
it. I respect it.
I know that you will do the right thing.
Well, right now the thing I want to do is find
You already
Quark.
fucked up.
Clank's got a good heart.
Yeah.
Clank's my boy.
How do you start
Yeah,
this
you'd be
stupid
Clank,
thing?
Ratchet, 'cause
Have
you
you forgotten?
you
You need a robotic ignition system.
I think I'm a
I will start
sweeter
the ship
boy.
if you agree to help that commando.
So,
I just think that I have a
blackmail is-
tendency to be sweeter than you, that's all.
just shut up
That's
and start
true.
the ship.
I don't think that's true.
I'm definitely more of a robot than you.
Okay. So I'm more of a dog.
Back so soon?
I've
Oh,
always thought
you're
of
talking
Ratchet
to
as a
me.
cat person, but sure.
I'm not in the habit of talking to myself, you
Or rescue guy.
buffoon.
I'm
Did
so
you
glad
get
you
rid
have
of
a face to
them?
put with it.
Yes.
Thank you. Yeah.
No. Well, I had this plan, and I thought...
You thought. You thought.
Bitch, you
I
thought.
do the thinking around here, you slug-brained
Bigger than
idiot.
him? Like, if he was
I
mad, he could
simply
pick him up and throw him
eliminate
into the
He could
abyss.
crush him
before they
between
can
his
cause
three
any real
fingers,
trouble.
yeah.
But I wanted to...
Do you still want to be the highly paid spokesman for my planet?
Yeah?
Then the next time I send you to do a job, I want results. Now get out of my sight.
Oh, I don't blame him.
Yeah. It's corporate. I mean,
Yeah.
you know,
You're a CEO.
yeah. You got
course.
money to make.
I want. I have all the money in the world, but I still got money to make. So Jeff Bezos. I think I've already talked about him in
Yeah.
earlier episodes.
Add attention, you deserting maggot.
He cannot eat
The
my
next
ass
time you soldiers
in
try to go
fun.
AWOL, I'll
This
shoot
is
you
a-
myself.
Look, I just
This
want
is
to
a preview
Zip
to
it,
next
worm.
time.
You see those bombers?
Yeah.
If you don't get to the turrets and knock those ships out of the sky, this whole planet's gonna be rubble. Meet me at the city entrance.
Clearly has PTSD.
He needs our
He's-
help.
Yeah?
Bad
Why don't you go
He's
help
in
him?
an
Or to
active
another
war zone.
tribe?
That's not PTSD. That's
Go on.
CTSD. That is current traumatic stress.
At least I'm not a
Stress.
coward.
Yeah.
Trauma.
Whatever.
It's just
As
trauma.
soon as I find Quark, I'm selling you this
OTG.
You down with CTSD? Yeah, you know.
Oh, but we're not actually done. We got one thing left to do.
Oh, what are we doing?
We're going back to Outpost Iridia.
Are we gonna bring the prize, whatever, blah, blah, blah?
That's right.
I didn't see that because it wasn't checked.
That's right.
I'm paying attention.
This is a payout that's been going on for like 6 weeks. What did we record it last? 5 weeks.
5 weeks ago was our first recording.
Something like that, yeah. I recorded this on the 5th, which is a
I
week
watched it on.
You know what?
I watched it on Christmas, and I feel like you recorded it. You posted it shortly after that.
Okay, so it's been
It's
like 3 weeks.
Yeah, it hasn't been that long.
I don't know how to measure time.
Yes, you do.
I do, I just don't.
Blocks. Your brain.
Heck, Islander. I like that black in the background. Yeah.
I feel like is this the first place we
This is the second level.
went? Okay, it's very dark here.
Fantastic. You
I-
did
Yes, I
it.
remember
Great
this.
work,
The
kid.
Eugene guy.
So,
oh,
are you gonna represent me?
Eugene guy?
You bet,
He
kid.
reminds me of
And as a
every
signing
adult
bonus,
man I
I've
knew
got-
in Eugene.
Eugene, Oregon,
Yes.
specifically.
Who had a
Cool helmet.
booth at a Saturday
That is a
market
sonic
with
summoner.
glass that
It
Yeah.
is used to attract sand mice.
Poured pewter into molds
Right,
and
and
had a
it's all yours.
had a soul patch.
Well, I'm off to finalize the paperwork. I'll have my people called your people.
Do you have people?
The Sonic Summoner allows you to interact with the mysterious and intelligent sand mice
He said, "Do
species.
you have people?"
Despite their
Oh, this
innocent
is the Sonic
appearance,
Summoner. This is the
sand
item we
mice
just
are very
unlocked.
effective and
You
aggressive
remember that
hunters.
little
Simply
like
equip the Sonic
that
Summoner
thing
when
right
you
there,
are near a sand mouse house,
I
and a
don't.
mouse will
sitting
emerge to
sitting
greet
in the
you.
ground?
If the mouse
Okay.
likes you,
Reminds me
it may
of
offer a
that
bit
thing
of
following you.
high-caliber tactical
So like there's like
assistance.
little like yellow pucks in the ground that summon dudes. That thing right there.
Yes, I remember after the first episode being
summons-
like, what is that?
It summons this little guy.
It summons a little guy.
and he follows you around.
It looks
and he
like
helps you out.
it looks like the camera guy on all the Mario games.
Yeah.
Like mushroom.
Lakitu. Yeah.
Who really doesn't do anything, just like helps you.
Yeah, he just shoots dudes for you. Well, in this game, yeah. And we can talk about Lakitu later. Then I got a gold bolt because I remember how to get it after killing myself last time.
I like your glasses.
Thank you. They're the thing that summoned the dude.
Oh.
Yeah, that's what I got. Out of helping me.
Wow. I get that all the time.
I can.
You look like you're supposed to be playing tennis.
I'm just gonna die. I was like, this will put me back in my shit.
Bummer.
It is a super big bump up. I hate when I get a bump up. And then that's it. That's the end of the episode. We got the recording will end in 30 seconds or so, 10 seconds.
Wow. Okay, so next episode we're not going to be in this place again. We're going to be in the next.
We're gonna go to that war zone with the dude with CTSD.
Okay.
Yeah.
Current
Yeah.
traumatic stress disorder.
Current
Kill you. It's just trauma, but that's okay.
You're like talking to your therapist. I'm like, hey man, like I'm shooting these guys and I'm not liking it.
All right, goodbye everyone.
Good night. Thanks for watching my YouTube video. Me and Shelby making our videos.
Little stool kids.